Hey everyone, want to style your WP Forms effortlessly? With the Bootstrap for WP Forms add-on, you can apply sleek, modern designs in just one click. No coding required. Let's dive in. Setting up is super simple. Purchase and download the add-on from WP Bonks. The download link is in the description. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and upload the downloaded file and activate it. Copy your license key from WP Monks and paste it under WP Forms Ultimate Add-ons Licenses. Click Activate and you are all set. Now let's apply Bootstrap styling to your forms. Open WP Forms Ultimate Add-ons in your WordPress dashboard. Select the form you want to style. Enable Bootstrap design and save it. That's it. Your form now has a sleek, responsive look. Want to fine-tune the design? You can. Adjust theme colors for form elements. Remember to save your changes to see them live. And that's it. Your WP Forms now have a fresh, modern design with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in next video.